So at that point, when I took the wheel off, the whole scooter nearly fell off the bench. So here we are with part 1.1. This time, when I take the wheel off, the scooter does not fall off. So now we have one wheel. You don't have to take the disc off. Release the pressure, or in your case probably, pressure is already gone. So we can see here on the shaft that it's got two flat sides. And we can see here the reason why. So it slides in that plate, which you don't have to remove. But they plates are the same, and they can only go one way. So even if you do remove it, don't worry about mixing them up, because you can't put them on the wrong way. And then we can see the connector in there, which has got a really long body, and the way you get it out is you press the two sides, and then as you can see from below, that's the two mounting holes that hold the connector housing. So that's quite straightforward to get the wheel off. I'm now going to get this onto the bench, and I've already fixed this puncture, so I'm just doing it again to show you guys. That's how much dedication I have. So this is the genuine CST tyre. This had a flat tyre, so we've put another tube in it. We have got these tubes with a angled valve. The ones that come with are straight, and it can be quite tricky. These really should have some sort of screw on there, but it's quite a big hole, so I'm not sure how effective that would be anyway. But one of the problems you have when you're trying to pump these back up is that the valve gets pushed inside. So I might have a little solution for that for another video. But that's it stripped down anyway, so everybody can see what it looks like. Really well made. Nice welding. Nice aluminium. Braced with this circular part, which is making this whole back really strong. Quite impressed actually with the engineering. And for the mudguard, these little brackets, as you can see on this one, they have been bent slightly, and the light's been smashed, but again, it's a pretty well made. So the little number plate thing comes off if you didn't want it. The connector routes through these little guides. Again, well thought out, no additional parts, just all part of the mould. And a nice deep-seated connector. On the chassis, we've got all the female screw points actually into the chassis, so that's another good idea. And like I said, make sure you keep your screws safe. The next video will be how to get this tyre off with those tyre levers, and I'm going to get on that when I get a chance. So that's it for now.